If you are planning a visit to Flathead County, Montana, up near Glacier National Park, you will most likely find yourself in the small town of Columbia Falls at some point during your stay.
Perfectly situated near the shopping and dining of Whitefish and also the amenities of Kalispell, and really close to the west entrance of Glacier Park as well.
So we thought we'd bring you along to our little walk through Columbia Falls, starting on Nucleus Avenue. Let's see what this town has to offer.
If you are new to the channel, thank you so much for joining us. We are honored to have you. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell if you would like to see more videos about Montana living, real estate, and recreation. We do have a special one planned to share a little bit more about our favorite places to eat, to shop, and to stay here in Columbia Falls. But for now, let's get going on this tour. Okay, so we are starting on Nucleus, just where it intersects with Highway 2. Right here on the left is Glacier Clothing Company. I have not been in there. Have either of you guys been in there?
No, actually I haven't.
Let's go shopping.
Yeah.
It says embroidery, custom decorator.
So you can't shop, you just take your stuff to get there.
So we could get shirts with Radiant Realty embroidered on them.
Oh yeah.
Sundrop Health Foods for all your health food needs. I feel like that's new. Have they been here long?
I think they have.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're coming up on Farm to Table Ice Cream, which I haven't been, but Suzanne, you said you've been in here?
Yeah, it's really good ice cream shop. It's family.
Looks like this one is for rent. So if you have interest in a rental on Nucleus Avenue, give us a call. We'll definitely look into that for you. Okay, so this is Gunsight Saloon. I think one of all of our favorites.
Yes.
Yes. So, yep. Live music. Well, so you have to, inside you can sit at the table and order, right? And then outside down here, they have the twinkle lights and the bands in that, here, I'll show you. Right there, under that stage, and then the picnic tables, and you just go up and order and then bring your food out. Yep. Yes. Do you guys have a favorite menu item or drink there?
I like their nachos. Nachos are good there.
I just had their burger a couple times and it didn't disappoint.
Yeah, their mac and cheese is really good there too. Okay, so this is the Monaco. Looks like Montana themed apparel and gifts, souvenirs, and then the fly shop.
Oh man, so we did a fishing tour with Larry's. It was amazing.
Was it?
Yes. Love fly fishing. Because they do all different kinds of fishing tours.
How long was your tour?
I did it with my dad for his birthday. We did I think it was 3 hours down to Flathead.
Oh, nice.
They cart you out there, pick you up, plan it all. It was fantastic.
Yeah, that sounds amazing. Okay, so is this no longer here?
No, I think it closed. I was open just a really short time. I don't know what happened.
That's sad. It looks like such a cool venue.
I know, we really needed another restaurant.
And a steakhouse, a good steakhouse. So this space is for lease as well. So if you are interested, send us a message or give us a call. Okay, the teriyaki kitchen. Yeah, this is new. Stir-fried noodles, sushi bowls. Ooh, that might be a fun one to check out sometime. And also, if you guys have recommendations or restaurants or hotels or shops that you want to see featured that you love, when we do our Eat, Stay, Shop, Play, leave a comment below and we will definitely look into doing that. This is Coyote. It says apparel, lighting, art, and jewelry. Super cool mural here on the outside of this building. True North Chiropractic and 406 Soap and Candle. Cute. FICA Hair and Body. And then Computer Sales Service Gaming and Internet Center. And then Outlaw Diner. Have either of you eaten here?
Yes.
How was it?
It was really good. They give you a lot of food.
Okay, so if you're really hungry, go there. And then this is Glacier Thrift. I've popped in a couple of times. Yeah, it's a good variety of things. City Cleaners, full service laundromat. Good call. Forage and Floral. I feel like this is fairly new. It's super cute.
Yeah.
It is. I wonder if they do fresh flowers too. Oh yeah. And before we continue our tour, we thought we should introduce ourselves. I'm Janet.
I'm Suzanne.
And I'm Becca, and we're with Radiant Realty here in the Flathead County, Montana. So if you're looking to buy or sell property or a home, we'd love to guide you through the process and answer any questions you have.
Or if you're just gathering information for an upcoming vacation, we hope that this helps.
That's right. So let's continue the tour. All right, so let's cross over here. That is Posh Nails, and I've heard great things about them. Had quite a few friends that use them.
Yeah, they're really good. I've been in there.
Same.
Yeah.
And then Glacier Lanes and Casino for bowling. This bowling venue is retro throwback. It's a lot of fun. My daughter actually got her senior photos, some of them done here. And so if you want some unique photos, it's a fun place to go. Head inside and you'll get quite a few neat photos. So Suzanne, did you play here growing up?
Yeah, actually, one of the dates I went on with my husband was
Aww.
and I threw the ball backwards instead of down the lane, so that was embarrassing.
Not that we're a dating site, but if you look for love.
Well,
Still married me. I don't know why.
it was a very memorable date.
It's very memorable.
Did you let him win?
Did I let him
Yeah.
win? Yeah.
So Smith's is here, and then Super One is over off of Highway 2, kind of your main grocery stores for Columbia Falls. Look at those mountains back there. I love it that they're snow-capped now.
Yeah.
On its way.
Okay, so this is October 22nd, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And we got snow. I was gone. Ladies, what day was that?
It was last Sunday.
Last Sunday. First snow of the season. I feel like we generally get snow, the first snow at some point in October.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Normally it's on Halloween, but
Yeah.
Yes.
true.
Yep. It doesn't usually stay. As you can see, there's no snow on the ground
Yeah.
here now. Yes, and if you are looking for an investment property, there's some newer condos that you can see that have been built, and they do, quite a few of them do allow for short-term rentals, which is a lot harder to find in Whitefish.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are coming up on Columbia Bar and Casino.
It's an oldie.
So have you been in there, Suzanne?
Oh yes.
Okay, you speak
More
to
than
it.
I'd like to admit.
Tell us about it.
It's just really, it's been here for a long, long time. And they used to have...
It's gone.
Yeah, they must have...
I think I read about that in the paper that it was going
Yeah.
away. I don't
They used to
remember the
serve
story.
food,
Oh,
but it was kind of, it's pretty run down.
it does.
Well, Suzanne, you grew up in West Glacier, so this was your stomping ground.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is where I went to high school.
Okay, so this looks fairly new as well. Surface and Stone Tile Company. I feel like Columbia Falls is really just kind of changing its feel.
Yeah, it's adapting.
Yeah.
Slowly adapting.
What do they say? Up and coming?
Yeah.
I mean, I think it's always been great just because of the location. But okay, ladies, I think both of you have something to say about this one, right?
Yes.
Oh yeah, it's really good.
Extremely yummy. We've never had to wait very long.
Yes.
I've had a few of their dishes, and they're good.
And they revamped this building since the last time I did the walking tour. It was that blue, kind of dilapidated,
Yeah.
and they really did a nice job. This is Vaqueros, it's
Yeah.
Mexican.
Service is nice too.
What's your favorite meal item there?
I'm a very much get the same thing every time I go somewhere, but here I've had a few different things and they've been good. But I love the fajitas.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. You really can't go wrong with fajitas, can you?
And their queso.
Oh yes, queso's great. Okay, so this is Stage Line Pizza, which I think is really good.
I haven't heard. I've been in here.
You didn't go here growing up?
No. Mm-mm.
Was it not here?
No.
Oh, I thought this one might be an oldie but a goodie. Okay, I lied.
I mean, this building was here.
This used to be Stage Line Pizza.
North Fork Pizza.
Now it's North Fork Pizza, so I have no idea how the pizza is.
Lots of good changes though.
It's got a name.
Wow, okay. Clearly we need to visit downtown Columbia Falls more
Hey, when you
often.
come to town to vacation, we'll just come with you.
Yeah, invite us along. The barber shop, classic.
Yep. Busy.
Everybody needs their hair done, and persimmon. So this looks like art, pottery maybe, greeting cards. Cute, look, they did the windows. Bad Rock books. Is that used books or new? Do you guys know?
It looks like probably both.
Oh, they're selling. Okay, so that's going to change shortly too. So if you would like that space, let us know. And then this is Coffee Roastery. This is newer too.
Mm-hmm.
Uptown Hearth. It looks nice.
The menu looks good.
What do they have?
It's like breakfast and lunch. Maybe a brunchy place.
Oh yeah, a little bit of everything there.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Private office space available. So it looks like kind of shared office space area. That's great, yeah. Wow. And there again is Gunsight Saloon on the other side of the street. H&R Block here. It's pretty quiet right now, but I bet that's not the story come the new year.
This is their vacation time.
Exactly. And then just down this way is Three Forks Restaurant and Grill. Have you been in there, Suzanne?
Yeah, it's really good steaks.
Oh, that's good to know.
At least last time I was there.
Yeah, hopefully not. And down this way, there's a park kind of along the river. Do you know the name of that one? I've been there a few times. But it's a fun place to go and just let the dogs or the kids run around. And I think they have a community garden there too. Really? So that's interesting. So you have foot care here, and then this building up here has a foot on it also.
Oh, that's a reflexologist. I think she does
Okay.
massage as well.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. She's been right here for a long time.
And then in here also is Flathead Valley Mortgage. I've done a lot of work with Matt Reslow there. If you want a lender that's a straight shooter, definitely reach out to him. He'll let you know if he can help you or who you should go to, the little squirrel. There's the Three Forks Grill that I mentioned. And then looks like a daycare and preschool down here. And then right up there at that light is Highway 2. We hope you found that tour helpful. If you do have suggestions for future videos, leave us a comment below or send us a private message. We do check those and we love responding to you guys. Have an amazing week and we will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.